Today we'll be fixing a leak on a thermostat housing for a 2012 Chevy Silverado. Leak is coming from right here. We're also going to change this hose clamp to prevent any leaks in the future. These are the parts we'll be using today. Picked up a Velcro gasket for the thermostat housing, and we'll be putting this hose clamp on the hose.
I'm going to use a pair of channel locks to squeeze the hose clamp and pull it back so I can get the hose off. Before you pull the hose off, make sure you have a large container to catch the coolant. I place it below the thermostat here where I can guide it with the hose.
Next, we'll remove the thermostat housing with a 10mm socket, taking out that bolt and that bolt. Next thing we'll do is get it all cleaned up. We'll clean the surfaces up here where the gasket will sit. I'll go down there and clean that part up too. Get it ready to put the new gasket on. After removing the old gasket, I'm feeling confident we found the problem. It actually is cracking. Some of it's actually, it's like plastic almost. So yeah, I think we found the issue. Okay, got the surfaces cleaned up, and I put the new gasket, which is nice and soft. It's not like the old one. Put it on the same orientation as the previous gasket with this little tab at the top near this part here of the thermostat. And then we'll get it installed. The thermostat goes in the thermostat housing, lining up with the notch here. And then of course we'll bolt it on the front of the engine. We scraped off the remnants of the old gasket and cleaned up the thermostat housing with a brass wire brush, and did the same down here to get it all clean so that we have a good mating surface for the gasket. We started the bolts, and now we're going to torque the bolts to 18 foot-pounds. I'm going to do both sides evenly.
We've torqued down the thermostat housing, removed the squeeze style hose clamp, and put the new one on, so that we can put the hose back in place and tighten down the new hose clamp.
Just getting the hose clamp tight, snug it up, just so we know it won't come off. Next, we'll top off the coolant, and then we'll warm up the truck, let it fill the engine up, and top it off one more time.
Just a quick note, once I started the truck, it immediately emptied the overflow tank. So I refilled it and continued to add coolant until the truck was warmed up. After a test drive and allowing the vehicle to cool completely down because it's unsafe to remove a coolant cap from a hot vehicle, I'm checking the fluid level and topping it off to the full line. And then of course you'll want to monitor your coolant level to ensure your repair was successful. Thank you for watching.